Santa would like this better than cookies.
Hey Natalie, what's quick, an appetizer, and a dinner?
Our Piccolo Pezzi chicken.
Yeah, let's make it. Start with 2 chicken breasts. Start by cutting the chicken into Piccoli Pezzi.
That's small bite-sized pieces.
First, add the cornstarch and coat the chicken. Now add your other ingredients, olive oil, lemon garlic sea salt, and essential pepper. Place your chicken on a parchment-lined sheet pan. Now into a 350-degree oven, or about 30 or 35 minutes, or until they reach an internal temperature of 165.
Out of the oven, toss with olive oil and fresh chopped parsley.
You know what?
Yep,